welcome to another video. Today we are unboxing a vintage Pullip doll. The doll we are opening today is doll Ciel. He is Ciel Phantomhive from the anime and manga Black Butler. He was released in April of 2009, so he's pretty old, but I'm very excited because Black Butler is my personal favorite anime. Not really from anything after season 1, but it does have quite a bit of nostalgia for me. So I am a Ciel fan. So first things first, here is the listing from the Groove store. He would have retailed at $148, not including shipping. I personally did not purchase him from the actual store because I didn't know he was still for sale because he came out so long ago. So I found him on Amazon for $234, which is a crazy markup if you think about it. Because I mean, that technically includes shipping, but shipping would not have cost that much money from the Groove store because I've bought other stuff from the Groove store before. But yes, so I got him from Amazon and he took about a month to arrive, maybe a few days give or take. But I eagerly awaited his arrival and he arrived. So first things first, here is my box. Please ignore the first few frames of this editing because I'm still getting my setup set up. And also, don't do what I'm doing with scissors. Please use a box cutter because you can damage the box, the interior box, or you could hurt yourself. So please use scissors safely. But he did arrive. I didn't notice any dents, and they bubble wrapped him really well. Now, I am a take them out of the box person, but I am also a keep the box person. So I always keep their exterior packaging to use for either storage or what have you. So now that he is free from his box, let's take a closer look. Doll Ciel comes with several accessories. He has this adorable hat, which attaches to his hair, allegedly with that comb clip, and it's a really cute little velvet hat. He also comes with a pair of shoes, the trading card authenticity card that all Pullips come with. I love these. I keep them in a little binder. He also came with a cane or a walking stick, depending on what you want to call it. His signature eye patch to cover up his demon eye, and a Pullip stand. Having a closer look at his face is detailed, but his outfit just blew me away. It's so adorable. Literally every detail is perfect and exquisite and lovely. His card is also really cute. If I can ever get his hair to look that round and perfect, I will try. The hat is also very cute, but that clip is the bane of my existence. It does not like to stay on his hair. More details on that later on. The shoes are also very cute. They're rubbery, um, which is good for like ease of use because they're much easier to get on than the fabric shoes. Eye patch is cute. It's double lined so there's no raw edges. The cane is beautiful, and the stand is a standard stand. So the outfit, now that it has been freed of his body, it has a totally separate shirt, which I am not taking out of the coat because putting sleeves on a doll is very tricky, and it's not something I'm usually successful at. But the coat is fully lined. It's velvet. It has cute little lace detailing everywhere and the buttons. Hat is the same. And these little socks, which come with, it's not a garter, but it's the thing that goes around your knee, kind of. And then he has little shorts that close in the front, and they perfectly match his coat. Now, time to talk about his body. So, he's adorable, and I don't know why I assumed he would have a boy body when all Pullip dolls have a quote-unquote female body sculpt. But it did surprise me, and I thought it was a bit funny. But that's alright, he's a kid. Who cares? His body is wonderfully articulated, just like all Pullip dolls are. Head really just goes side to side. But his eye mechanisms do work, so they switch from side to side. He doesn't blink because the DAL dolls don't blink, as far as I'm aware. And now let's get him dressed. Now, I will say, I know he's old, he's from 2009, but the little leather straps practically fell apart while I was putting them on him. And I'm gonna replace them. I'm just gonna like sew up some new little leather straps because they literally just fell apart as I was getting him dressed. But other than that, I honestly have no complaints. He's adorable. I need to gel his hair to make it look as perfect as his picture. The hat refused to stay on, but that's fine. I pinned it. Not a big issue. His little cane is so cute! Ah, I adore him. So here we have Ciel Phantomhive, completely unboxed. Looking pretty good for a doll that was first put in that box in 2009. Alright, that'll do it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll be back soon with a new video. Thanks so much. Bye!